Hey guys, it's Peggy Yee here with Frankly Realtors, and I am here to give you guys a video tour of the Oak model at the Fountains of Mclean. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath unit, and it's actually one of the most popular 2-bedroom layouts here at the Fountains. There's 60 units that have this Oak model out of 502 total units at the Fountains of Mclean. So let's take a look. So that wraps up our tour of the Oak model, which is one of the 2-bed, 2-bath layouts here at the Fountains of Mclean. It's 1,050 square feet. If you guys have any questions about any of the models here at the Fountains of Mclean, or for more video tours of the different Tysons communities, such as the Rotunda, the Gates of Mclean, Lillian Court, any of those, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm also going to include a link below to my Tysons condo guide, which gives you all of the information about all of the Tysons condo communities. As always, feel free to reach out if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing here in Tysons Corner. Thanks.